Hi, I'm George Vanderploeg from Douglas Elliman, and welcome to 10 East 67th Street. This limestone mansion was built in 1899. It was designed by C.P.H. Gilbert, who was as famous in his day as architect Stanford White. This is a true mansion, 26 feet wide, 13,000 square feet on 7 levels and 7 bedrooms. And you see that when you step into this large and elegant entrance hall with cast iron staircase, front doors, and a marble fireplace, all making this a suitable space to greet guests for large dinners and parties. Behind the entrance hall on the garden level is a comfortable seating area around a wood-burning fireplace, an informal dining table, French doors leading to the garden, and a professional kitchen. Special attention has been paid to materials in this kitchen. Marble countertops, white subway tile, and a stainless steel prep area. It also has top-of-the-line appliances and a big pantry. This is a very functional and comfortable space. The parlor floor consists of living room, dining room, and library. Here in the living room, you can appreciate the curved facade in these 4 large windows flooding the room with light. It also has 14-foot ceilings and original restored crown moldings. And the living room has another wood-burning fireplace with a white marble mantel. Here you feel as though you've really stepped back into the Gilded Age. As we step into the library, look at these amazing original mahogany pocket doors. Located in the back of the house, this quiet library is a refuge and a place for more intimate conversation. The dining hall is the most English room in this French-style house. Carved oak paneling and wainscoting, a Victorian stone and marble fireplace, and leaded glass windows. Just imagine a Thanksgiving dinner in here with a roaring fire and 100 lit candles. The primary suite occupies the entire 3rd floor. The architect placed the primary bedroom in the front with the curved facade and the beautiful light coming through the very large windows. Unlike most of the mantels in the house, which are French Rococo, this one is Italian Renaissance. The volume of all the rooms in the house is incredible. Even here on the 3rd floor, we have 12-foot ceilings. There's an adjoining bathroom with a soaking tub, and here is a 300-square-foot dressing room. Completing the primary floor, this is the most elegant home office I've ever seen. Now there's one more place I have to show you. And the crowning jewel of the house is the sunny roof garden with glass dining pavilion and outdoor fireplace. It's a great place to entertain or to unwind after a long day. This is one of the most exquisite Gilded Age mansions in New York City on one of the finest blocks, and I'm so happy I could show it to you.
Before you go, let us know if you enjoyed this video. Drop a like and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more exclusive tours.